Small landlords without attorneys face the most serious risks. These owners cannot average the costs of bad faith tenants over a large portfolio. Just one or two bad tenants can cause financial ruin. Small landlords usually depend heavily on rental cash flows to pay the mortgage. Sometimes it's for a house they live in themselves. Owner-occupant landlords bear the additional risk of living with someone they loathe or even fear. New York's laws prevent landlords from being choosy in the tenant selection process. New York State's 2019 Housing Stability and Tenant Protection Act further prohibits landlords from denying rental applications because of past landlord tenant actions or summary proceedings. Progressives seeking to downplay the plight of small landlords often deny the problem exists. They quickly cite statistics showing, for example, that the average apartment registered with the Department of Housing Preservation and Development in New York City is owned by a landlord with 21 properties and 893 units. This tactic runs against the left's usual focus on lived experience and the difficulties facing minority communities. Though there's no hard limit on the number of units a landlord can own and still be considered small, the most recent state budget provided an exception to those with 10 units or fewer. Regardless, in absolute terms, small landlords represent a significant population. Many small landlords are from blue-collar, immigrant, and minority backgrounds. According to the Rent Stabilization Association, about 70% of its 25,000 members own one or two buildings. While city-specific data on rental ownership demographics are unavailable, the Urban Institute has found that, nationwide, 13% of owners of buildings with 4 or fewer units are Black and 15% are Hispanic.